Here's me holding $40 that I just got from Jennifer Lopez. Now I bet you're wondering, how did I get to this point? So let me rewind to where it all began at 11:30 this morning. We got this PetSmart order. It's a shop and deliver, but PetSmart's really easy to get around. I think I could do this in probably a half hour, make 12 bucks, not too terrible.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
This damn cat is eating better than me. Salmon and shrimp. Come on. Mariner's Catch. Alright, I'm doing this solely just to see what actually happens for content, but I just accepted a cash only order. I don't know what that means. I think I have to pay for it, and then the customer gives me cash for it and then tips me as well. I have no clue how this works. I don't know if that's pay with my credit card.
Right there.
And then they just pay me cash. I'm in a relatively known area for not being the greatest tippers. So I don't even know if they're gonna pay me, period, but I bought it just to see what the hell happens.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Who's Jennifer Lopez?
Me. Waiting for tonight. Oh.
I'm far too sweaty to meet J-Lo. I walked in there, they just gave it to me. I don't know the system here. Are they charging my DoorDash account and then they pay me cash?
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Well, I can't read.
I'm sweating and I gotta meet J-Lo. They have to pay cash, so I have to come out and meet the customer, which is Jennifer Lopez. I mean, come on. I'm hiding Jennifer Lopez's address, but... Come on. 27 bucks, tip me 40. All right, that was 27.10. I got 40 bucks, so that's $13. First off, J-Lo, great tipper. Second off, J-Lo, a man.
Dance the night away, live your life and stay.
There you go, man. There you go, man. There you go, man. There you go, man.
I have spent all of my life.
There you go, man.
Oh, dance the
There you go, man.
way, live your life and
Thank you, man. Have a good one. Good news and bad news of that order. I got the $275 plus the $12.90 in tips, so that's over $15 just from that one order. It took me 3 minutes. The bad news, Jennifer Lopez is a man. That is devastating.
This is the worst.
Sweating like a horse. I don't think that's a saying, but nonetheless, Jennifer Lopez was very nice. I'm up to almost $28. Legally, you can't be mad. I told you I was delivering to Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez just happened to not be the Jennifer Lopez, so it's not my fault.
I didn't do fucking shit.
I'm not gonna get too emotionally attached to the cash orders because most likely in this area, I probably won't get more than just the exact amount. I used to deliver pizzas in this area, and one time, the order was $21.67, and they gave me $21.75, 3/4, and they said, keep the change. Like, thanks you for your 8 cents.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
And again, I'm disgusting and sweaty, but I picked up this Instacart order. It's going directly towards my house, so I'm just gonna call it a day after that. I'm gonna go home, hopefully get some air conditioning, probably not.
your body up and drop it on the floor.
The next day.
All right, it's day 2. We're back with this order. It's not the greatest, but it's going into a zone that I want to go. And no, you're wearing the same shirt, not me. Thank you. The goal is to make $100 before the end of the day. We're not going to stay out too long. Probably shoot for 4.5 hours and see how much we can make. I got this Instacart batch for $22. I think I can do it in 40 minutes. I'm picking up prescription and I don't know how anyone can trust someone to pick up their own. drugs for them. I live in a town where our Walmart was the 3rd highest most stolen from Walmart in the state, and we have Philly and Pittsburgh in the state. All right, I just dropped off at that huge mansion. I actually went to the wrong house, of course, but I drove 22 minutes to get there, and it was a giant mansion, so hopefully there's a hidden tip.
I'm good, thank you. I guess you wonder where I've been.
All right, I gotta rush because this person got diarrhea stuff. All right, and typical DoorDash crashed yet again for 7 minutes. Here's me trying to show it to you, but I eventually did get the order done and made $9.75, so not bad. All right, so somehow, unfortunately, I did not get to $100 again. It seems I always just barely get under it, and then it all just stops. So I might go out a little bit later just to try to get over 100. But all right, so I sat in my house and waited to get an order to bring me to $100, and I got this one. I'm like, wait, that's gonna bring me over 100. It brings me to $99.99. All right, so I got there. I knocked on the door. I was like, oh, is it Jerry? They're like, no, I've never heard of Jerry. So I'm like, oh, okay. And they said, oh, it's for his girlfriend. She's like, I don't know what that is. So I left. And then I texted him. He's like, no, that's the right house. And then she comes out and she's like, oh, yeah, that was me. You don't know your boyfriend's name? This will put me over $100 for the day, so I had to take it. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like down below, as well as subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see y'all in the next one.